Hi, welcome guys. My name is Hamso Hamimi. Today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to save a background from Photoshop so that you can use the image for your website project. Before we start to save all the images that you need to use for your website, you have to prepare your local root folder, which I have right now. This is the local root folder. So in this local folder, I have the basic folders that we need to have for your project. Basically, this the image folder and the menu folder. The rest are basically a working file for my project. Okay, going back to Photoshop file. Okay, this is a complete or a finished design in Photoshop. Okay, which I use a simple layout for my project. So first of all, I would like to save the background image first. Okay, since the background image is basically it's a gradient and I need to have it to be filled in my HTML file later. So in this case, I need to just to have a slice of the image. Basically, I'm going to just make a selection here, small selection here. Alright, and I'm going to copy this, copy merge. Basically it is all in layer, so it's best for you to copy merge, and I'm going to create new layer. Okay, the size will be reset based on the clipboard. Click OK, and then you paste it. Okay, edit or command V. Okay, once you have pasted in new file, so what you need to do next is basically you save it for web. Okay, go to file, save for web. Okay, since this image have a gradient and it's not a flat color or a solid color image, so you need to save this as JPEG. Okay, so here is the where you can change the format, and this is the quality of the image. Right now it's 21. 21 is quite small and the quality is not that good. What you can do is you can move the slider to the maximum, to 100%, maybe because the file is very small. It's about 1.688 kilobyte, and it will take about 1 second using 56K modem. So you can save, you can have this kind of image in your background. Okay, click save, and make sure you save this file in the folder that you created, the local folder, which is image in my image folder. Okay, I'm gonna name this as BG latest, since I have already saved so many background here, as you can see. So I'm going to name it as BG latest, but you can just save it as BG. It's okay, it's fine. Click save and you're done. That is for your background. You don't have to save that image. Okay, now the next thing is I'm going to have the top header here as a background. So in this case, I need to have just the background and transparent. I don't want to have the text here, so I'll turn off the layer of the text, and also this logo, turn it off, and of course the background here and this background. So what I need is just this image. So what you can do is you enlarge and make a guide, so that you are basically selecting the precise size of the image. Make sure you include the shadow as well, because I have shadow here or outer glow in my box. Okay, all right. I would rather use Fireworks, but since not many students have Fireworks installed in your software, in your computer, so I'm using Photoshop now. Okay, using your marquee tool, make a selection. Okay, normally you'll snap with the guide, right? I always check. Okay, I always check with the selection. So basically, it's quite big, so we will just remove some. Make sure it's in the guide. Okay. rest, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay. Go to edit, copy merge. Right. You have to select the layer. That is okay. Edit any layer, you can just click copy merge. Okay, create new file. Okay, make sure you turn off when you paste it, then you turn off the background image so that you have a transparent background. Okay, now you can save this file, save web. Okay, just now you save your file as JPEG. Okay, since JPEG that doesn't support transparent, so you need to change the format to PNG24. Okay, PNG24 basically supports background transparency. So you can see there, the background next transparent now. So you click save. Okay, name the file as header. Make sure the location of the folder that you want to save. You name it as header new. Because I think I already saved it. Okay, there. See, I've already saved it here. You save it in new. Okay, click save, and that's all. Okay, you don't have to save this file. Then you can turn back all the layers back. Okay, basically the Photoshop file is just a guideline for you in order for you to create a the HTML file later. Alright, so now I'm going to create Photoshop, and I'm going to open Dreamweaver so that I can insert or attach the background in HTML file.